My grandson was going a little crazy and kind of off the charts, so I decided let's do a pivot and see if he wanted to make something. He loves this, and here's what happened.
Yes.
Should we make cookies instead?
Yes.
Not pancakes? Okay, let's make some real easy cookies then, okay?
How about chocolate chip?
Oh, that sounds like a great idea. Okay, let's get the stuff out and let's make some chocolate chip cookies.
Yes.
Yay! We're gonna use all this butter. That's a little cold because it's cold in here this morning, so you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna melt it just a little bit in the microwave, okay?
It's softer.
Yeah, it's much softer. Okay. I have just barely enough coconut sugar. Okay, buddy. Here comes sugar. Okay, stir it in. Salt. Okay, vanilla.
Look, an apron.
Uh-huh. Cinnamon.
The chicken made eggs and now the baby chicks.
They do. They came out of chickens. And they make baby chicks or eggs. You want to try to crack it?
Yeah.
Let's do this. You try to crack it into this bowl. You know how to do it? Gently tap and then break it in here. Can you gently tap it? That's hard to do, huh? Okay, a little bit harder. Tap it some more with both hands. Okay, oh, you're getting it. Okay, now break it in here. Break it apart. Two hands. Two hands. I'll get you a napkin when you're done, like this. You want me to help? We're gonna do it right. Hey, that's perfect.
Yolk.
Yep, there's a yolk and there's a white. Okay, can you pour that in here and stir it up? I'll take the bowl from you. Okay, and stir it gently. And let's see, I didn't put the baking soda in here yet, so I need to do that. And there you go. We gotta add flour first and then chocolate chips. Do you like chocolate chip cookies?
Yes.
Okay. Whoa, I caught that, didn't I? All right, buddy.
How about the baker?
Yeah, that's exactly what we need. We need probably 2 cups. Thank you. I'm gonna give you one more. Good job. Okay. Okay, now stir that in. You gonna stir it?
And flour everywhere on the floor.
That's all right, we'll clean when we're done. Sometimes when you cook, you make a mess, and then when you're all done, you clean it up. That's all you do. Can I do that? That way you won't get your sleeves all icky. Okay, stir up. You do a great job of stirring, sir. After this is all stirred up, then we'll add chocolate chips last. I want to make sure I have enough flour first. And then we should add a lot of chocolate chips, shouldn't we?
Okay.
Do you want to go get a tissue real quick?
Nope.
It's allergy season in Georgia. Do you see all that pollen on the cars? We're almost there.
I can see a pollen.
Pollen is everywhere on the cars. You know that yellow stuff on the cars?
Some two cookies.
I know. You want to eat one? Do you want to eat a chocolate chip? No? You don't even really like chocolate, do you? You just like to make cookies? Just 2? I think we're going to make more than that.
The red cookies.
Oh.
Chocolate chip cookies.
Do you like chocolate chip cookies?
You know what? Lemon was.
I know. Lemon Linzer. You like lemon Linzer. Whoa!
I like lemon Windsor.
You don't?
No.
Since when?
The cookie maker were the cookies.
Oh. Well, these cookies will be done by the time Mommy gets back. Okay, we'll make these, and I think by the time Mommy comes back, let me try one first, okay? I'm gonna scoop it
And click it.
and click it. These are a little dry.
It's squishy.
Yeah. You know what?
What?
I'm gonna add one more thing in here.
What?
This is gonna be an experiment because they're a little dry. So I'm gonna add a little bit of coconut milk in here to try to bring them together. And coconut milk is nice and fatty, so that will help. Let me get a spoon.
Want to try one?
Yes. Well, that's very... Let's see if I can stir this in. Kind of after the fact.
Okay, you try this.
You want to try it? You want to try a bite?
Yes.
What do you think? What do you think?
Good.
Good? Here's the rest of the spoon if you want to eat it. Okay? It's pretty tasty, isn't it?
Yes.
I think I'm going to put all this in here. And then we'll have an experimental coconut milk chocolate chip cookie. Mimi usually makes sourdough chocolate chip cookies, but we tried to do without the mixer this time. Now, if these turn out really, really good, it will be like
Cookies.
the best cookies.
I can't scoop up the cookies.
I think it's coming together now. I think that coconut milk helped. I'm glad you tried it. I think coconut milk is delicious. All right, buds. Okay, here we go. Watch your fingers.
Okay.
What you have to do is you squeeze it down and scoop.
I can't squeeze it down.
Okay, and then let go, like that. Ready? You want me to help you? You have to squeeze it really hard. You have a muscle? It's at the bottom. Squeeze it at the bottom. Like that. At the bottom. See. Put your hands, or your hands might not be quite big enough. So if we squeeze it, whoop. See what it does? Whoop. Okay, you gonna try?
I can scoop it.
You know what? You don't have to squeeze it to scoop it. If you just want to scoop it regularly, it'll work still. Okay, that's a little bit. Let me put some more in there for you. Okay. Plop. Ooh, that's good. You know what you can also do? If you want to, you can roll it with your hands.
Yes.
You want to try that?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to give you some, and you roll it with your hands. Oh, that's good.
Oh, you wash your hands.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
Okay, and then we'll wash our hands. Good job. Let's put it over here.
My dear.
Well, that's going to be too close. They'll stick together. See how Mimi put them all far apart? Ooh, the oven's ready. Ooh, should we put some salt on the top?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Now squeeze it in.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna put some salt here, and you just pick that up, and what you do, right here is your salt. Put a little bit on top of each cookie, right here.
I can't do this.
Pinch it. A pinch of salt, just like that. From there, pinch it and put it on a cookie. There you go. You do that to all the cookies. Just a little bit is all you need. This cookie needs some, and this cookie needs some. Okay, that looks so good. These cookies might be really delicious. And we added a half a can of coconut milk in them. Okay, let's put them in the oven. Say bye-bye, cookies. There's that. Watch this. And then we put the cookie dough. Yeah, I know. You're probably afraid to get up there now, huh?
I sweat.
Yes, you did slip. I'm sorry.
I need a hug. My fingers.
They hurt.
No, so wet.
They're wet just from tears.
No, from an egg.
From the egg? There's no egg on there. Okay, I need a hug too. That's better. That's so much better. I'm gonna put the cookie dough on here.
I can do it.
And we're gonna pat it into a log. Can you pat it into a log? Kind of like Play-Doh. Let me show you. And then we'll wash our hands again.
Actually,
That works, huh? Does that work for a tissue? Okay. All right, so I'm gonna pat it down. Come on, you need to be a log. Like that. That together. All that together. Okay.
my cookies is done.
12 minutes. Look at the timer. 8 minutes. Oh, getting close. Yeah, I'm gonna roll it up like this. Get all that up there. And then I roll it like, pat it together. And then we just roll it like that. Boop, boop, boop. And then you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put it in the freezer. So it'll be a big log of cookie dough that we can cut and bake the next time you come over. How about that? Is that fun? You wanna put it in the freezer for me?
Yeah.
Okay, put it in the freezer. Just don't slip this time.
I got sweat.
Yeah, I'm sorry you slipped. Oh, whoa, that's the fridge. Let me show you. It needs to go down here, buddy. There. Perfect, thank you. Ooh, look at this. Mimi has frozen grapes. Oh.
Fancy frozen grapes.
You wanna try one?
Yes, that have green grapes.
Okay, I'm gonna try one.
Just one.
Okay.
What's that?
That's to put something hot on. Let's move this over just a little bit. This is really hot, Rowan, so don't touch it, right? Looky, the cookie.
The chocolate chip.
I know. Don't those look delicious? Look
Yeah.
what we made. Okay.
Chocolate chip.
Woo, looky there. Chocolate chip cookie. Let's break it in half. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the gooey chocolate. You want a bit on your plate? And he has grapes. You want some on your plate?
Nope.
Okay, Mommy's back. We made cookies, Mommy.
Did you make cookies?
We filmed it too.
Grapes.
You're eating a grape?
They're frozen grapes.
They were frozen.
You're eating them?
Licking them.
Wow.
He said it reminds him of some popsicle at school.